All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we have the Pitaka Ultra Slim case here for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now they do make this for all the phones, the entire lineup. I have it here actually for the Fold and the 9 Pro and 9/9. Those are going to be the same. But here it is for the Pro XL. Now this case is going to run you about $59.99 if you decide to pick this up. I like ultra thin cases like this for a number of reasons. I don't like very bulky and heavy cases, and this is perfect for me. And it has the MagEasy system. Now it says MagSafe compatible because there are a lot of things out there with that MagSafe technology, but they have a MagEasy system, which is really nice. So you can see here it is woven from Aramid fiber, so that's something that we know about them. They switched to more of a relaxed packaging. It's just recycled paper, so nothing fancy about their packaging anymore, but you still get a high quality product. Now here's the case itself, and again you have that MagEasy technology inside. It's a little bit of branding right there to show you so that it's there. It's the color of the case as well, and then you've got all the information about the company down there. Now what I like about this case is it's completely clean on this side and it's clean on the top, and they just have one opening here for the charging port, and it's done this way because if you have a single strip there, it's more prone to breaking. But then you have the cutout for the vibrate and power, and that's it. Nice little design here and color change, really nice around the edges there. That'll really complement the porcelain right here, or just whatever color you decide to put it on. So before I put it on, here's a MagSafe or MagEasy product that you could use with it. This is like a what they call pop socket that I've had for years. It can also be used as a kickstand to sit your phone up like this if you want to be hands-free and watch TV or watch a movie. So you want to, I always put it in with this side first because the opening is on this side, and that is how you take it off as well. So see how easy that went on? Like, no pun intended for the MagEasy, but you see how easy that went on? And when you take it off, it's going to be pushing on both corners like that, and it just slides right off. I'm really not applying any effort. It's going to come off easy. I really like that they've gone to this style where it's much easier to get off, because if you've been following this company long enough and other companies that try to do these ultra thin cases like this, it is a pain to get them off. It is a headache to get them off. So checking the ports and everything on here, you've got make sure this is open. You see that? Make sure that slide is open if you're buying any case, not just ultra thin cases. Then you got your power and volume here. And then you got the cutouts on the bottom for your ports. You got your microphone hole, speaker out, charging sink right there. So this is a very nice setup, man. I really like this case right here. This is my type of case because I actually will leave this on full throttle. I won't take this off, and I like it a lot. So just got a little bit of Pitaka branding down here. It's, again, flows very well with the porcelain color. That's just my style. I really like this. Now, if you're checking volume and everything, really not necessary because it's cut out already, so you're going to be touching your volume keys anyway. So this is kind of a win. This is a straight up case itself, beast mode. Now, I have MagEasy in my car, so I'll just pop this up on the mount. I can wireless charge if I want to, or just have it sitting there out of the way if I want to do so. So there it is, folks. A beautiful case from Pitaka. I will be following up with the Pro models as well. And the smaller variant, and then the Pixel Fold Pro as well. So there you have it, man. This is a win. And also this actually works with wireless charging as well. If you just have a wireless charger, you just want to sit it on, it still will work that as well like that. You don't have to use the MagEasy charging. You can just put it on a wireless charger and it will wireless charge. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Link to purchase is down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.